Welcome to the Innovation Hub in Coventry. My name is Mariano Sanchez and I'm the Machine Experts team leader. Today we will review our EcoStruxure machine range, especially the Modicon machine controllers. The range comprises of Modicon M221, M241, M251 and M262. This range offers a very flexible and scalable platform, starting from simple machines and going all the way up to complex machines with multiple synchronized motion access. Some of the benefits include a wide range of fieldbus protocols, IT features and IIoT protocols like MQTT and HTTPS. This range includes standardized I/O modules across all the controllers, including local and distributed I/O. EcoStruxure Machine Expert is our single software platform which includes PLC programming, HMI development, and device configuration and commissioning. It also provides a wide range of solution libraries with 2,000 function blocks and complex applications ready to implement within your machine, such as rotary knives or anti-sway for cranes. Our platform comes with over 20 TVDAs, which are tested, validated, documented architectures that can be used as a template for your machine to reduce time to market. They provide the schematic diagrams to wire the machine, system user guides to configure it, and HMI faceplates for quick commissioning, as well as a fully itemized bill of materials. For more information on our EcoStruxure range or to register for visiting our Innovation Hub, click the link below.